All right, guys, so we're going to discuss BRC-20 gems. So right now we have the originals token, which is around fully diluted right now is 300,000 market cap. What that basically means is we are looking at a potential 10x that will make us around 3 million fully diluted market cap. So this is a potential 10x right here. So if we go to Etherscan and we're going to get that address here, and then we're going to go to Dex Screener, put that in, and it's going to show us, yep, the market cap is around 400,000 right now. So we're pretty much where we need to be with this particular gem on BRC-20. This one I think could potentially go to potentially 100x. If we go to their website to see exactly what they do, they actually trade between ERC-20 tokens and BRC-20. So that's pretty much any token on ERC-20. That's Solano, Ethereum. I believe they're going to do AVAX and a bunch of stuff. So it's a dual bridge that you'll be able to do this through the Telegram bot. So it'll be automatic. So it's a great thing. I like this. This is really, really new. As you guys see, BRC-20, ERC-20 bridge. Really, really cool. Very, very early gem. I like it. Another gem I wanted to discuss with you all is dealing with that same ecosystem is this one here. CHAX. Let's go to CHAX. Right now, CHAX is at 1.5 million market cap. If we go to a max here, we're sitting at around fraction of a penny. We're close to 1 cent right now. And let's go to what exactly this is. So this BRC-20 token is a real world asset based platform. Let's go to their website here. So they have a lot of different NFTs. They also have real world assets on their website here. You would have to actually have your wallet synced to this to see it. But this is one of the first NFT real world asset based tokens on BRC-20, and the market cap right now we're at pretty much 1.5 million. So 1.5 million, if you look at it, that's pretty much nothing. All you would have to do is just put your money in this for maybe, I would say maybe 6 to 12 months, and you'll potentially have a 10x because of how small the market cap is, fully diluted, which means that the supply isn't even that high. So this has a lot of room to grow. Even if you look back around December 1st, this is already 10x'd. Yeah, this is already 10x'd. So I would say that it has more room to grow for sure. So these are my 2 picks right now for the RD originals BRC-20 based protocols. I will be giving you all some more insight on some other picks as well. We do have a Telegram group to where you'll be able to get access to these cryptocurrencies before they hit the public, before they're all over the news, before they're on Coinbase. We want to be able to snipe these particular projects before they hit 10 million market cap, 100 million market cap. We want to get in around before it's a million or right at a million or so market cap, so we can get those quick gains. If you want access to our Telegram group, shoot me a DM on my Darius Robbins page on Instagram or the Mike Che Global page and just ask about the crypto group, and I'll give you the information to get started. All right. Peace.